Hey, Rob Arms here from supersneaky.com, and we're just finishing up our build here on a new garage. We installed the doors, had them custom painted and everything. We just need to finish up the weather seal and put the decorative hardware on. But what I wanted to show you guys is, like, this could have been a disaster job. And I'll show you why in a second. All right, let's have a look here. So we've got here's the inside. We've got a ceiling height of 9 feet. And they're going to enclose it as well. So that makes it a little too tight for us to begin with. And if you can imagine driving to a job site and somebody overlooks that little thing and now you're stuck with a situation where you've got a door and you can't install it because it's too tight of the headroom, well, you're going to want to keep some super sneakies on board. Let's close her up. Works real smooth. And then the other thing I want to show everybody, there's a light there, and another light up there. So I'm sure the customer is going to want to install some type of light fixture up there, and it's going to be hanging from the ceiling that much more again, and it creates even more of a low headroom problem. But you can see the how much headroom space we've gained. And we just use a standard single track, and we've got a cut formula for cutting the vertical track. Works great. There's your super sneaky operator reinforcing plate, and that's our new operator extension bracket. Yeah, so if you're a professional door installer, keep some of our hardware on your truck. When you get to a job site, you run into a problem, there's the fix. Okay, Rob Arms, supersneaky.com, out. Thanks.